Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how I made these Valenslimes. They make great class gifts for Valentine's Day, but even if your kids aren't in school right now, you could still make these and store them as activity bags and have them ready to go whenever you need them. Let's get into the video. The first step to making these is to purchase a few items for the kids to mix into their slime. My first pick was glitter. I ended up finding these mini bottles of glitter at Dollarama. The whole pack was only $4, which makes these only 10 cents per bottle. With 40 in a package, this will definitely be enough for a whole classroom. If you can't find these, a great alternative would be these glitter and sequin packs. These are also from Dollarama, and I believe I paid $2 for this pack of 24. The next thing I wanted to include were these heart gems. Another idea would be to add these foam beads. This whole package was $1.25 from Dollar Tree. You can use these little storage bags to divide the package and then include these with the slime as well. The most important piece of these Valentines are, of course, the slime. I will be making it myself in this video, but if you don't want to make the slime yourself, you could purchase a large tub of slime instead. I did this last year and it made the process very quick and easy. The one downside was that I found the slime to be very jelly-like in texture, and I'm not sure if I just had a bad batch or what it was, but just something to watch out for. For my slime, I went with this clear Elmer's glue. I also picked up some condiment containers to store the slime in, and then these storage bags to bring it all together. Another thing you're going to need for the slime is slime activator. So to make this, you need 1 cup of warm water and a half teaspoon of borax. All you have to do is mix the borax in the water until it's dissolved and then add it to a squirt bottle. So start out by pouring your glue into a bowl. Then you can squirt some of your activator in. I normally work in smaller batches, so I wasn't sure how much I would need and kept adding small amounts little by little, but in the end I used almost the entire cup of activator, so don't be shy when adding yours in. I don't measure activator. I can tell slime is done by visual cues. Once it starts pulling away from the sides of the bowl, you know it's ready to come out. I did a whole video on this, so if you'd like a more in-depth look at how we make our fail-proof slime, give it a watch. After the slime has been removed from the bowl, add a little bit more activator to remove any stickiness, and then you can start dividing it between the containers. Slime sometimes needs to be reactivated if it's left for too long, so keep that in mind if you're making these ahead of time. Another thing I should mention is that while I was mixing these, it created a ton of mini air bubbles, and that's why the slime is no longer clear. When you leave the slime for a few days, the bubbles do disappear and you're left again with crystal clear slime. After dividing the slime, 1 bottle of glue ended up making enough for 12 people. Now the fun part, bringing it all together. To each bag I added a slime container, a heart gem, and a bottle of glitter. To finish off the Valenslimes, I created this printable, which you can download for free on my website, ryanandmarsha.com. I cut out the printable using my favorite paper cutter. I have a link to it in my description box if you're interested. And then I folded it in half and filled out the to and from areas. To attach it to the bag, grab some double-sided tape and then add a strip on the top and bottom, and then tape it to the bag. And that's it, you've created your very own Valenslimes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are looking for even more ideas, you can check out one of these videos, or you can check my description box where I have included links as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!